on. Check, check,
Check.
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 We're good? Check.
Go.
We are excited for you to be here today. We have a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity.
We are Alpha Alpha, worldwide, wide.
Alpha Alpha, the premier organization for career development.
We're putting in the man hours to get you internships and jobs.
Alpha Alpha, the premier organization in insurance and risk management.
New Gamma members? Possibly you.
Now, for the first time ever, the premiere video of Hump and Wag's Boats and Homes.
Boats and homes, I gotta insure more boats and homes. Boats and homes, boats and homes, I gotta insure more boats and homes. Boats and homes, boats and homes, I gotta insure more boats and homes.
The HO 3, 4, 5, and 6 will write you a policy you got a good risk.
Condos, autos, my dad's boat. You ain't gonna have a policy till I get you a quote.
We sail around the world and go port to port. Be real careful, don't commit a tort.
Put on your life vest, let's drop anchor. Oh, there's a Titanic, I think an iceberg sanker.
Boats and homes, boats and homes, I gotta insure more boats and homes. Boats and homes, boats and homes, I gotta insure more boats and homes.
We're checking out your boat, it's got a big hole. Pick up the phone, call loss control.
I'm a great agent who gives out great rates. You just gotta wait till the effective date.
I see a huge pirate, he's big and hairy. I'm glad we're insured for barratry.
Pull up the anchor, cause we're leaving dry land. We don't insure any contraband.
Boats and homes, boats and homes, I gotta insure more boats and homes. Boats and homes, boats and homes, I gotta insure more boats and homes.
All right, new members.
Yes!